welcome to my channel, Donna Kumar, New York. In this video I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. I just recently made a purchase for a Neewer Ring Light 18-inch. The reason for the purchase was because I wanted to start doing more makeup tutorials. However, I didn't have good lighting, so I figured why not go ahead and purchase a Neewer ring light. So yeah, I'm very excited. Let's get started with the video. Yeah guys, so I went ahead and got the purchase. This is how it comes. And there's two boxes, and this one here comes with the instructions. So it has, you know, an image of every parts and piece that it comes with, and just letting you know how to put together everything step by step. So that's one. And here we have the white filter that goes around the ring light. If you want cooler lighting, you would place this on your ring light. If you want a more warmer look, warmer lighting, you would place the orange onto the ring light. Sorry for the hot mess, you know, I just went to check and I just tossed everything in and put everything up. So yeah, here we have the AC adapter to plug in and make sure that your light is on. What else did we have? Here, I believe this is a cord for international use. Yeah, I believe that's what it is. I do have to double check to make sure, but yeah, again, I think this is what that is. Here we have all parts that you would put into the ring light to make adjustable, any adjustments. I kept it in here because, like I said, I not only did the unboxing, but I put it together just to be sure how to do it. And yeah, so this is all the parts and pieces. I made sure that I put everything exactly how it was so that I could remember how to do it, although it has the instructions. Yeah. And here you have a Bluetooth remote shutter. It works for iOS and Android phones. So yeah, all the parts and pieces that it comes with. But yeah, anyway, on to the most exciting part of all, the ring light. Okay guys, so I wanted to set up the camera just so that you guys can have a better view of my setup, my ring light, which I'm so excited for. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and open. Yeah, I looked up some other videos as well, and I saw that there's another box. Oh, let's check this out. There's another box, and in this box here, you will find, this is the stand for your ring light. So it comes like this. To the side over here. Sorry. And so in the other videos it informed that it comes on the opposite, it's folded the opposite direction. So what you have to do is kind of take it apart. Okay, and this is your stand. Doing this right, I have to loosen this a little bit. Then it expands. So I don't know if you can see. There's a lever right here. I'm trying to put it to where you can see, like, the lever here. See? Yeah. Okay. There we go. So it opens around like that. right? Okay, let's just move this out the way. I'm so excited. You have no idea, right? So it has 3 sets sleepers here. So you open that. And you open this one. So it goes, you know, it has, I think, 3 different. So there's one right here. There's another one right here. The main lever that controls the tripod legs, the 3 legs. I'm so excited right now that I'm like just too excited to be like trying to explain this right now. But yeah, okay, there we have it. So this one is for the top. Let's see if I can adjust this a little bit. This one adjusts here. This one is for this top one here, right? And then this lever here, down here, is for this midsection. And going further down, you guys can, I don't think you guys can see that. And then this one here is for the 3rd, this section right there, like that. So yeah. Yay! So that's that for, and then are you guys, drum roll please. Drum roll please. My Neewer ring light. Ta-da! So I am so excited. The camera. So comes out like this. And ta-da! So this is really good as well because you can also detach everything and just insert into the bag for easy travel purposes. If you have to take it out for any events, if you have to take it out to a client's home and you need lighting, this would be your bag. I'm just too excited right now. That's the side. And then this is your ring light. Yeah. So now, this is where these parts would come in. Let's see if you can see this. Okay. And I'm gonna try to do this. Let's see if I can bring you guys a little closer. So, we're gonna do this. It goes, so this here goes like that. And you would slide this part right there in here. Okay. These screws. This is and put this. First, slide this on. Insert that. Right. Then put this in here like so. Insert that like that. And trying to make so that this, okay, there we go. Yeah. So that like so, right? And then this other part would go in through here. Like so. Tighter. So then here is here. Let's slide into, so this part right here, you would remove that and slide it out. And then you slide that in, the square, and slide that in, and then screw this part so that it can attach and have a secure lock, so it's not moving. And this part, you would have your DSLR, the camera that you're using. But right now, we're gonna just focus on, I'm sorry. So, yeah, I'm just gonna show you how it works. So, this is your ring light. Or shall I say my ring light. And so that's where your camera would go, right? So I'm just gonna keep it to that right now, and then show you guys like, okay, so yeah, so that you guys can see. Again, you guys can adjust this to your liking, but I'm just showing you guys. So okay, that's to make it like not as shaky. Your levers will, you would adjust it to make it tighter and still. Okay, so now this here, this part, I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you guys see this wire? Okay, and in the AC adapter you have like 3 metals. So then you would just attach this into here like so, right? And plug this part in. You can see that. And insert this into here. You would make the connection right here. Are you guys ready for it? Can I have some lights, camera, action? Okay, so I think I forgot to tell you guys at the back of it, you would have your dimmer. It has the power and your dimming section, lighter or dimmer. And then ooh, it's right here. So again, can I have some light, camera, action, guys? Ta-da! And that was my unboxing. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is my Neewer ring light, and I can't wait to start doing more videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and yeah, let me know what you guys think about this video. It was my first time, obviously. I'm loving this lighting. Check it out. Yeah, and leave any comments down below and let me know what you thought about this video. I hope you guys liked it. And what else can I say? Yeah, just leave anything down below in the comment section, any videos, anything that you would like for me to do recording wise. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.